Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe and today's date is 2024 and today's topic is the version of Java. So first we all know that Java is a programming language and why we use Java, why Java are created. So today we only talk about Java's version and their specifications. So firstly, we give some information about the Java. So the Java language has undergone several changes since JDK 1.0. The first version is 1.0, JDK 1.0, as well as numerous additions of classes and packages to the standard libraries. And since J2SC, that means Java version 2, 1.4, the evolution of the Java language has been governed by the Java community process. That means JPU, which uses the Java specification request to process and specify the additional changes in the Java language. So the language specified by the Java language by the they have some created some changes to the GLS are managed under in GSR 901 in September 2027. Mark Rehond, the chief architect of the Java. Then they currently 2 years they are scheduled. Uh, the purpose of the proposal took effect of all the version of Java. Uh, the additional to the language other changes have been marked to the Java classes libraries over of the years, which has been grown from the few hundred classes in JDK 1.0 to over 3,000 in GSC 5. Entire new API, entire new API such as Swing and Java today. So that have some has been introduced in the conversion of Java program from the version of Java platform to older one. So they have some example. Mm, so one minute. uh, there are some regarding Oracle Java SC support the roadmap version 21 and the latest one of the version 21.70. 18 and 8 are the currently supported and supported long-term supported LTS. They are the LTS versions. So Oracle customers will be receive Oracle Premier supports, and Oracle continues to release no-cost public Java 8 updates. Uh, uh, 8 updates for development and personal supports. So Java is versatile and widely used programming language, and that was first introduced by the Sun Microsystems in 1995. It designed to the platform independent, allowing developers to write code that run anywhere, even run that code in any device. Uh, with the help of JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machines. Uh, so now we can discuss about some versions of Java. Uh, so the first version of Java is Java 1.0. They are releasing 23 January 1996. They are initially released for Java. They have some basic features. That was the first features of Java. That's why there are some basic features in their first version. So after that, Java 1.1. That was the second version of Java. They are released in 19 February 1997. They are in that version they introduced the inner classes, Java Beans, and the JDBC API for database connectivity. Then the next version is Java 1.2. They are releasing 2nd December 1998. They have some significant enhancement, including the Swing, GUI, top to, toolkit, all the connections. Then the next is Java 1.3. They are releasing May 8, 2000. They added the hotspot, JVM, Java naming, and dictionary in a JNDI, and improve the performance. And after that, the fifth version of Java is that Java 1.4. They are released in 6 February 2002. In that, they introduced the asset keywords, regular expressions, and the Java naming and the directory interfaces, GNI enhancement. So I hope uh, you can. This is the enough information about the Java versions. So thank you.